Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. It's on a Friday. Namhlanje tune date 13th.
Actually,
13th. Friday the 13th.
Yeah,
CAF
15
Champions.
Sunday, yeah.
Yes, CAF Champions League quarterfinals, Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2016 CAF Champions League winners playing against Stade Malien. Sangapha yake Mali mdlalo junior. Bese bukela sibabini. Ndakubona sitation. Shane. Machita. Stade Malien. Yeah, but Sundowns played the CAF Champions League game. Quarterfinal, you could see Sundowns came into this game to play and win at home and maintain a record level because they haven't lost a game at Loftus Stadium. I don't know in how many years. This team hardly loses at Loftus Stadium, and namhlanje it was proven they hardly lose at home. Playing against Stade Malien, their first time playing knockout stages as a CAF Champions League. Remember, they were the best in their group junior, scoring goals, but namhlanje. I don't want to say they met their match because no, Sundowns are not their match. Sundowns schooled them namhlanje. Junior, njani mfowethu?
Shane kunjani mabrother?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise uJustice Nkosi kaMthobitho. Benedict Sovilakazi ngibulise uBobzini. Kululeka mabrother. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. I'm man ngicela ukushayela no Santos Ezandla.
What happened?
Mshayela izandla uNunu. Yeah, no, mina Shane mfethu. I'm a fan of beautiful football mfethu. Irrespective ukuthi udlala kuyiphi team, whether udlala kuMagesi, uMtsipe Championship, ABC Motsipe League, TDC, GDL, angimshayela izandla. I think especially international player. That guy mfethu and I'm sure so many. If you bring an international player and then our players need to learn, these are the type of players that you can make example. I actually positioned out and he hardly lose the ball. 4 passes. Upege amagola to Sundowns, he find Leon. Aye wathatha uRev Ramisa ku VR, both goals. It tells me vision umchita nayo. Going to the game, these guys badlali low block. Make it difficult for Sundowns, but show you good by respect to Sundowns, the Malian guys. Technical poor. I'm talking about technique. I don't know why African ngikhuluma ngama team engiwabukela la, especially lama team lawa aboma DRC, you understand, Nigerians, and ngikhuluma kubo Champions League. I'm not talking about the national teams. Very poor in terms of technique. You understand? Very, very poor. Mhlamba about North Africa, that I can say compliment to in terms of technique. They believe go physics too much. In today's game, badlali low block, they playing a 3 center back. Whereby that's why Leon bekunzima ukumbona ngikhuluma nga first half. Bavali basis, I think Sundowns by team when they study Sundowns, this team we need to close these spaces. Badlala 4 in the middle field. If 4 whereby they are compact. You couldn't tell who's the wing forward, you understand? And then there was no one even up front, you understand? Everybody, every man behind the ball, low block, very difficult, they close spaces. We are one Gucci, play now, Gucci, we spumang umuntu one on the left hand side, Kulmanga first half. The reason I'm saying this, every time people are there, goalkeeper Ronan Williams, because the Sundowns playing up a marquee, they gave his Sundowns position bone. You understand? Every time goalkeeper got the ball, on the left hand side. The guy, I think, but it couldn't work for them because the Umakane one of the best right wing back in Africa as a whole. I think sometimes they've got 2 wing back around this, like Marcelo and Daniel Alves. Brazilian. They're very comfortable on the ball.
Yeah.
They can play, they can defend, they can deal with 1v1. They can play with any stage for me because if they play this way with Champions League, I mean, in today's game, they were very influential in Kulmanga about wing back with Sundowns. So coming to inside the Sundowns, one of this thing I think about emphasizing in Kulma after AFCON, they play forward passes. Very accurate futhi ngama-forward passes. Ubheke le bhola leli Opri leli goal number igoli Sundowns number 1. Opri lifaka phakathi ubheke ipass from Sales. Their defender, their pass breaker 3 people. A firm accuracy, good first touch from Mdau, and then Bambiza Vieira, it was a goal. Well done to Mdau, I think good finish from him. Also, Senkulman Jim, goal, second goal is Sundowns. Peggy Vision, this guy, Nuno Santos. The boy, I think Sundowns, because of Badlala, on the right hand side, abana umuntu odlala forward. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Bebadlala they were pack on the right hand side. Abana forward right Sundowns. So that's why Bobo Mkwena draftela on the right hand side also Sales. Ngapha angithi there's Matthews, there's also Mdiba. You understand? And mhlambu Nuno draftela, but they play ka right senkhuluma on the right hand side, but pack on the other side most. I think second half Sundowns they came bye Lungisa ngoba first half too many mistakes from Sundowns, especially in front of Ipali. Decision making it was very poor. They dominated the game. I think outclassed this team. Sundowns, they are on another level. Ungabona ngathi this team is weak. Yes, we say it's weak. We can say technically poor, but they are the reason why we figure like Champions League knockout. They are so physical. Maybe they make it very difficult for you. Same Kulmanga home. They play low block. Maukori low block. A team that is playing a low block, 3 goals. A team that is very static, very stereotype, whereby they hardly move. We understand they score 3 goals. And then also outlast them how you play. Senkulmang combination play. Upegi Sundowns training these guys. Second half, I think much better from Sundowns. Senkulma in front of Ipali. Good ball from Ununo. Good vision. Good run from this guy, Leon. Slalingisho dangerous striker. That guy and another striker that the strikers was in South Africa, they need to learn. Always on the box. He's got a good first touch. He perform in high games. He perform in the Pirates now in today's game for to perform in Lumchita. And upega nalapa the way short sprint magaya kulela bola normal pass. 2 defenders they just left watching. Good finish as well. Goal number 2, Reyners from the bench. Sundowns, they've got 2 strikers are very dangerous, and that's why I'm always saying Banama players guma position that they are so important. In Kulma central defensive midfield. I'm going to check it. Sundowns, they've got best midfielders in Africa as a whole. And that's for me. They can compete. Nabo Alakhli, Mshambe Yangababu, Nabu Itati recently. But they are Nkulma Jadin currently. Jadin one of the best. Umpege become complementarangani, Uno Mkwena. And you don't need Mkwena to go forward more. If these two they're gonna do the way they did. Nkulma Jadin Adams and Nuno Santos. You guys need to feed this guy Ulion. Mangabu Ulino Mshambageko. Mabandala ngamo impact Opri or this time down. Or Mshambe Matthews. Well done to Sundowns how they play. I mean, they make this game look easy. But Shane Zokchena and Jefar, Bengasi came easy. This was a high standard of game, and Sundowns they make it easy. Umshishu Magangena, I think he lifted the game as well now. Same Kulman combination play. Also, Marcelo Allende, Kulman identity, the philosophy. When you put Allende, the philosophy will come back. We keep the ball, and then wait the right moment, and then we break. Saleng need to learn just. The team, you need to learn your teammates. The guys got speed. Speed. He's checking.
What do you advise Usaleng Guti Marai change Sundowns?
For me, just simplify things.
Okay.
Yeah, simplify things, Don. You don't have to try much. Sias Guti like to score. 8 Orlando Pirates like just simplify things. Just play 1-2. Your time will come. In moment, good back vez. It looked like you lose the ball every time they pass you. You want to take somebody on. It's like losing the ball. Sometimes they hardly lose the ball by running with the ball. Yes, individual brilliant and promoter, but you must know what to do. If you do, and then that thing must benefit the team. So when you check how they train this team, Senkulmange manage the game. ngikhuluma nangama-player abuya on the bench, I'm in compliment fit, and alende mshishi when they come on the bench, something else. So i-team yabo and Reina sofike wa-80 spark, ngikhuluma ngoku-80 value. It's like akaphumanga this guy Leon. So each and every position they've got best players. So also ngicela ucompliment no Grant Kekana. I think he did very well there ku center back. Grant Kekana ngicela ukumshayela izandla na this guy ndamani. Sundowns as a whole, I'm fit today ngwenye zinzima. Shini noma ungaringa sengikhuluma manje second round of the season. This is Sundowns that I know. If mina ngifan about that they play beautiful football.
You are saying this is a Sundowns that you know.
Yeah.
Right? And the Sundowns that you know hasn't won the CAF Champions League since 2016.
Yeah.
So le Sundowns
Yeah.
izaba indolo mehluko between yona ne Sundowns as the previous ezingakhange ziwin iChampions League. Le ukuze win iChampions League izaba indolo mehluko ezabangela ukuthi wawin iChampions League this one.
Shane, the question that you're asking me, this is Sundowns that we know. Mangiti, this is Sundowns that we know. It's Sundowns that dominated South African football for many, many years.
Yeah.
I'm trying to say that. They hit the right. They hit
Momentum.
Momentum
Yeah.
at the right time.
Yeah.
We understand because they are unstoppable. How they win, I'm not about the goals. Meaning,
Yeah.
see, goal. That's all. Meaning, when you score in style. Not each and every goal may be in style, but the majority of goals, they win in style. Each and every game when they win is convincing. They outlast you. This is what I'm saying. That's why I'm saying the Sundowns that I know. And this is a high standard of football. As could me, I mean, we can say the team is weak, but the team is champion. Actually, Betway Premiership. It's a Champions League and a knockout stage in Spain ever.
Yeah.
You understand? And I mean, it's best social sit okay sharp. Mhlambe the goals, two of them, they were offside and stuff. Yes, this team, it can surprise you and go all the way and win the Champions League. I can tell you the truth because after signing Abu Nuno, ngale experience by Pet and ngale strike Abu Leon, I can tell you, mhlambe banga mina I will say to you they will win the Champions League. Mina ngisho kanjalo.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's the second prediction that Junior Kanye has made in 1 week,
Yeah.
or I can say in 4 days.
Yeah.
Not in 4 days. We were here on Tuesday, right,
Yeah.
when Sundowns played.
Yeah.
So it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's Friday. Yeah, in
Ngale
4
Monday
days.
na ku Junior Kanye TV I said it. They will win the Champions League.
Yeah. No. I'm talking about the previous prediction that you made on Tuesday. You said they will win the Betway Premiership. Namhlanje, they want to win the CAF Champions League. So that's 2 bold predictions, not even bold. Those are 2 great predictions
Shining it
in
mina
4
boy win the
days.
Champions.
Yeah. I hear you. That's what I'm saying. You made 2 predictions. They're going to win Betway Premiership in 4
It's
days.
not going to be easy, especially Champions League.
Yeah.
But how they play, win. These are seasoned players that they compete in this tournament each and every. Psychological, they're very strong. And I'm fair to they've got players who can decide game. Kulmanga international players, Abu Leon, Kulmanga Abu Nuno. I'm talking about Marcelo Allen, a different team. So they understand this. Traguni in Bazalabonke, this team is special. They hardly add players. A team in Abu Wepai, they add for 5, 6, and then they change the team. A team is more than 4 years together, 5 years together. The identity is going to be difficult. The team will be easy, but they want to win the Champions League.
Thank you so much, Junior Kanye. Mamelodi Sundowns are going to win the CAF Champions League yalo nyaka 2026. Loftus Stadium on a Friday night, 13th March. But Friday the 13th, to me late namhlanje, but kudla ngokwenzeka into zibhede ngale date. But Loftus nayo ke Stade Malien, they saw bad things against the Sundowns. Sundowns 3, Stade Malien 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
All Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.